Okay, so now we're going to talk about and understand what are Dataproc node groups, right? So there are a feature, or we can say they are a feature of Google Cloud platform that allows you to customize the composition and configuration of virtual machines in your Dataproc clusters, right? Node groups actually enables us to create clusters with different types of virtual machines tailored to specific workloads or requirements. Okay, so there are different types of Dataproc node groups. The first one is primary node group, which consists of the master node and any additional worker nodes in the Dataproc cluster. So master node means a node which actually distributes the job to its workers, and worker nodes which actually implements and process the data, right? These nodes are actually responsible for managing cluster, coordinating job execution, and performing data processing tasks. Second one is secondary node groups. They are additional groups of work nodes that you can add to your Dataproc cluster to handle specific types of workloads or tasks. So basically, they consist of additional worker nodes which we can add in our cluster process so that we can have more number of workers to process the data, and we can get that processing of the clusters much faster because we are having a good amount of workers, right? The third one is preemptible node groups, which consists of virtual machines that are preemptible, meaning they can be shut down by Google Cloud with short notice. Like we give a window or time window of 24 hours where GCP automatically close this with like short notice, right? The fourth one is custom machine types, where Dataproc allows us to create custom machine types of our node groups, where we can actually specify the number of CPU we want to use and the amount of memory each virtual machine will occupy. This is our, like, we are actually enabling a flexible option for clustering, and this flexibility enables us to tailor the compute resources of a cluster to match the specific requirements of the workloads, right?